Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding Ethereum on Kraken and you're ready to cash out to your bank account in 2025, you're in the right place. With crypto regulations and platforms evolving, I'll walk you through this step by step so you can do it safely and efficiently. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have a verified Kraken account. This is crucial because withdrawals involve security checks to protect your funds. Log into your Kraken dashboard using two-factor authentication for added safety. It's 2025, so let's keep those hackers at bay. Once you're logged in, head over to the Withdraw section, usually found in the Wallet or Funds area. Here, you'll see options for different cryptocurrencies. Select Ethereum from your portfolio. Now, before you proceed, double-check the current withdrawal fees and minimum amounts, as these can change based on market conditions and Kraken's policies. Next, if you haven't already, link your bank account. Kraken might require you to verify it through a small test deposit or by entering your bank details securely. This step ensures your funds go to the right place. Once that's set up, initiate the withdrawal by entering the amount of Ethereum you want to convert and withdraw. Remember, you'll likely need to sell your Ethereum for fiat currency like USD first, so use Kraken's exchange feature if necessary. After confirming the transaction, you'll get a summary screen. Review it carefully for accuracy. Hit confirm, and Kraken will process your request. This could take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of days, depending on network congestion and your bank's processing time. Keep an eye on your email for confirmations and any potential issues. A quick word of caution. Always withdraw to a bank account you control, and never share your private keys or passwords. In 2025, with advanced scams around, stay vigilant. And that's it, you've successfully moved your Ethereum to your bank. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto guides. Drop a comment below if you have questions, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there.